Hey guys, what's going on today? So I'll just show you around the shop, and we set up Chad's Supra, kind of what the turbo kit's gonna look like. So we're gonna get Mike to come over here and make a new intake manifold. We got a bigger intercooler for it, and then we're gonna make a turbo manifold. So it's got old school turbonetics parts, which is, we're just trying to do period correct on this car. So. And then we got this BMW in here. It's a 04, what is it, 530i? This thing? I think so, yes, 530. Yeah. So it's in here actually for these lines. So a line had let go, braided line. So this thing has, what is it? It's a stabilizer bar. What did they call that?
Active steering.
Yeah, active steering assist. Yeah, whatever. So then we're doing a timing chain on this CRV. So just so you guys know, there's a line straight across here, line straight across here, and then on the bottom you want to be top dead center. When you go to line up the cams, I'll show you here. You can actually get two dowels. So we used drill bits, and it goes right through the back side of the cam. Same on the exhaust. So that makes sure that you're dead straight. I don't know if you guys can see that. I didn't have a light, but you can see down here. Straight across, up and up. We're gonna put our new chain and our new oil pump chain on that we ordered. And then Chad's getting ideas for Mike, like I was saying at the start of the video. So we're gonna make a manifold. There's gonna be no hood on this. Chad's running no hood. Yeah, worst case we'll cut it, but we're gonna get Mike to make a manifold that comes up, give us all the room that we need. This motor, well, tell them about the motor. You got bearings, studs,
bearings, ARP studs,
head gasket, thick head gasket, big head gasket.
Big head gasket. Yeah, I torqued it down to 120 foot-pounds.
Yeah, ARP, right?
Yeah, and then the heat cycle and torqued it down to.
Yeah, and then it's got an intercooler. Probably gonna go bigger, but that one's still, it's a good size for our power goals.
Yeah, but
we can go bigger, you know what I mean? And then it's got this old school turbonetics Godzilla blow off valve. That's pretty cool. It's kind of period correct for this car, so
yeah. And then we're gonna have it.
Yeah, the manifold's coming out. So it's a two-piece manifold. So there's a plate right there, kind of like my H22 car, and then. He's gonna get Mike to make a new top plenum with the throttle body over here, and then it'll come down into the intercooler, come back up. Obviously these aren't the pipes, this is just kind of show you. Then it'll come up, boom,
a lot nicer.
And then it'll have a nice scoop going down. Yeah. So yeah.
And I was thinking I have like quick, straight off of the track.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is my street car.
Yeah. So it's got a full 4-inch exhaust. So if he wants to bring it down, you can kind of see down
bring it
there.
down, connect it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just for my daily.
We'll have the O2 sensor. So we'll have a couple different tunes. So yeah, this is Chad's Supra. So you'll see a lot more of this on the channel. Even got little toys in there, dog toys in there, bud.
Yeah. Can't wait till he comes and knocks that off.
Yeah, so Mike's coming here tomorrow, and then he's gonna get some more ideas, and Chad's gonna get some materials and stuff, and then they can start working together on getting this thing ready for maybe speed sport, right? So it's gonna get a fresh paint job too. So what color are you going with this?
Fresh by us. Anything but that.
Anything but that.
Anything but that. Banana yellow.
Banana yellow is fast, eh?
Yellow's fast. You gotta be low to be yellow, though. You have to be low to be yellow.
So
probably.
So we're gonna
we're
gonna move the alternator down too, make a little bracket down off the side, and then get a different belt. That's not a big deal. Just so we can kind of come here. We'll move the fuse box.
We'll try and shove everything.
Yeah. We're gonna put a hydraulic e-brake in it, and then we're gonna get rid of this too, the ABS unit. So kind of like the Trans Am, it's all deleted. So. Maybe some line lock, right?
Definitely line lock.
That's what I'm saying, right?
Yeah.
So,
truck's got line lock.
Right?
Just old school line lock. We actually gotta get it and screw the thing down.
Yeah. All right, boys. So yeah, we just kind of wanted to show you quick, like what's going on. So from Chad's view, you know what I mean? You can see the turbo there. You'll either have an up pipe and then the down pipe, and then the blow off will probably be inside. up front. So, and then on top of
that, I don't know if
well, I was thinking somewhere's handy down
kind of.
because we can move the battery tray and
As far as we
do what
can.
we gotta do.
But it'll hook in there pretty good.
Another thing too, we're gonna do cut knuckles on this so we can get some more angle out of this car. So there's all kinds of stuff coming up. We'll have to make some jigs. Turbo, Joe, buddy.
You just like stop.
Yeah, but yeah, boys, that's a Supra. So we'll see you later.